Student, good morning. Today I will discuss some problems related to time and work, also time and distance. Student, take one example. Ramit can finish his work in 25 days, working 8 hours in a day. Ramit can finish his work in 25 days, working 8 hours a day if he wants to finish the same work in 20 days. How many hours should he work in a day? How many hours should he work in a day? Solution is here. Let time taken to finish his work in a day is equal x hours. Then we have number of days 25, time taken in hour 8, number of days 20, time taken in x. Clearly, it is a case of inverse variation. So, we can write 25 into 8 is equal to 20 into x, or x is equal to 25 into 8 by 20. When we divide 20 and 8, when we divide 20 by 8, then we get result 2 and 4. And when we divide 25 by 4, we get result 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10 hours. Hence, required time to finish his work is equal to 10 hours. Now, take another example. Geetika weaves 20 baskets in 30 days. In how many days she will weave 120 baskets? Geetika weaves 20 baskets in 30 days. In how many days she will weave 120 baskets? Solution is here. Let number of days be x. Then we have number of basket 20, time taken 30 days, and number of basket 120, number of days to weave is equal x. Clearly, it is a case of direct variation. Therefore, 20 by 30 is equal to 120 by x. We can write x into 120 x into 20 is equal to 120 into 30. Or x is equal 120 into 30 by 20. We get result 180 days. Hence, number of days equal 180. Number of days equal 180. Clear? Now take another example. A train 400-meter long. A train 400-meter long is running at a speed of 72 km per hour. How much time does it take to cross a telegraph post? Solution is here. The length of train is given in meters. The length of train is given in meters. Hence, we shall convert its speed in meter per second, because the speed is given in kilometer per hour. So we shall convert it into meter per second. Therefore, we can write 72 into 1000 by 3600. 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal 3600 seconds. We get result 20 meter per second. Now let the required time is equal x seconds. Then we have distance 20, time taken 1 second, and the total length is equal 400 meter. 400, time taken x second. We suppose clearly it is a case of direct variation. Therefore, 20 by 1 is equal 400 by x, or 20 into x is equal 400 into 1. Hence, x is equal 400 by 20 is equal 20. Hence, time taken by the train to cross the telegraph post in 20 seconds. Clear? Student, take another example. A alone can finish a piece of work in 12 days. A alone can finish a piece of work in 12 days. And B alone can do it in 15 days. If both of them work at it together, how much time will they take to finish it? How much time will they take to finish it? Solution is here. Time taken by A to finish the work 12 days, as according to question. Time taken by B to finish the work 15 days. Can do it in 15 days. Now work done by A in 1 day is equal 1 by 12, 1 by 12. And then work done by B in 1 day, 1 by 15. Work done by A plus B in 1 day, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. After solving, we get result 3 by 20. Time taken by A plus B to finish the work is equal 20 by 3 days. Hence, both can finish the work in 6 or 2 by 3 days. Clear? Student, now take another example. A train 360 meter long is running at a speed of 45 km per hour. What time will it take to cross a 140 meter long bridge? 140 meter long bridge. A train 360 meter long is running at a speed of 45 km per hour. What time will it take to cross a 140 meter long bridge? Solution is here. The length of the train is in meters. The length of train is in meters. So, speed is equal 45 km per hour is equal to 45 into 1000 by 3600. We get result 25 by 2 meter per second is equal to 12.5 meter per second. When we divide 25 by 2, we get result 12.5. Now, to cross the bridge, the train will have to cover 360 meter plus 140 meter. 360 meter plus 140 meter is equal to 500 meter. 360 plus 140 is equal 500 meter. Let required time to cross a bridge be x second. Then we have distance 12.5, time taken in second 1 second, and total distance 500 meter. Time taken to cross the bridge x second we suppose. Clearly, it is a case of direct variation. Direct variation. Therefore, 12.5 by 1 is equal to 500 by x, or x is equal 500 by 12.5 is equal 40 seconds. Therefore, train will take 40 seconds to cross a bridge. Cross a 140 meter long bridge. Student, clear? Now take another example. Take another example. A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days, while B alone can finish in 30 days. In how many days can A alone finish the work? Solution is here. Time taken by A plus B to finish the work is equal to 12 days. Time taken by A plus B to finish the work is equal to 12 days. And time taken by B alone to finish the work in 30 days. Therefore, A plus B is 1 day's work is equal 1 by 12. A plus B 1 day's work equal 1 by 12. And B's 1 day work is equal 1 by 30. Therefore, A's 1 day work equal A plus B's 1 day work minus B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 12 minus 130. We get result 1 by 20. Therefore, A alone can finish the work in 20 days. 20 days. 7. A can take another example. A can do a piece of work in 25 days and B can finish it in 20 days. They work together for 5 days and then A leaves. In how many days will B finish the remaining work? A can do a piece of work in 25 days and B can finish it in 20 days. They work together for 5 days and then A leaves. In how many days will B finish the remaining work? Solution is here. Time taken by A to finish the work is equal to 25 days. Time taken by A to finish the work equal to 25 days. Repeat again. Solution. Time taken by A to finish the work is equal to 25 days. Time taken by B to finish the work equal to 20 days. A is 1 day work, 1 by 25. B is 1 day work equal to 1 by 25. Now, both A plus B is 1 day work equal 1 by 25 plus 1 by 20. After solving it, we get result 9 by 100. Now, A plus B 5 days work. 5 into 9 by 100 is equal 9 by 20. Then the remaining work equal 1 minus 9 by 20 is equal 11 by 20. 11 by 20. Now 1 by 20 work is done by B in one day. 120 work is done by B in one day. Therefore 11 by 20 work will be done by B in 11 by 20 into 20 hours is equal 11 day. Hence the remaining work is done by B in 11 days. Student, clear?